Welcome to Master 2255 English Phrasal Verbs, complete course with 150 categories for fluency. This course is your go-to guide for mastering English phrasal verbs. Today, we're exploring the 71st category, Nature and Environment. Master phrasal verbs for conservation. These verbs are essential for discussing environmental issues and conservation efforts. Let's get started. First, let's begin with breakdown. This phrasal verb refers to decomposing or separating into smaller parts. For example, organic waste breaks down into compost, or plastic takes centuries to break down in landfills. Next is dry up. This means to lose all moisture or water. You might say, the river dried up during the drought, or without rain, the soil will dry up quickly. Cut down refers to removing or reducing something, often trees. For instance, they cut down several trees to build the road, or we need to cut down on our use of single-use plastics. Clear out means to remove everything from a space or area. You could say, volunteers cleared out debris from the park, or they're clearing out the invasive plants to protect the ecosystem. Die off describes the gradual extinction of a species or group. For example, the coral reef is dying off due to climate change, or several species have died off in the area. Grow back means to regrow after being cut or damaged. You might hear, the forest is slowly growing back after the fire, or the grass will grow back in a few weeks. Blow over refers to a storm or situation passing without causing harm. For instance, the storm finally blew over after hours of heavy rain, or let's hope the wind blows over the wildfire smoke. Wash away describes something being carried away by water. You could say, the floodwaters washed away the topsoil, or the waves washed away the sandcastle. Burnout refers to something being completely destroyed by fire. For example, the wildfire burned out several hectares of forest, or the flames finally burned out after hours of effort. Warm up means to increase in temperature. You might say, the planet is warming up due to greenhouse gases, or the soil warms up in spring, allowing plants to grow. Cool down describes a decrease in temperature or intensity. For instance, the weather cooled down after the storm, or we need to find ways to cool down the planet. Settle down means to stabilize or become calm. You could say, the dust settled down after the windstorm, or the ecosystem is settling down after years of disruption. Runoff refers to water flowing away, often carrying pollutants. For example, fertilizer runoff is harming the river's ecosystem, or rainwater runs off the pavement into storm drains. Breakout means to suddenly start, like a fire or conflict. You might hear, a wildfire broke out in the national park, or fires often break out during dry seasons. Finally, blow away describes wind moving something forcefully. For instance, the strong winds blew away leaves and debris, or the gusts blew away the tents at the campsite. These phrasal verbs are invaluable for discussing nature, environmental changes, and conservation efforts. Practice using them in conversations about protecting the environment, and they'll soon feel natural. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.